Hey, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, March 25th. We're about halfway through our week. We're doing great. Always let me know if you need some help. You can email me or Class Dojo, whatever you need to do. All right, today we're going to be talking about volume and capacity. I've got another sheet for you. It's in your assignments. If you can print it out, that's great. Follow along with me. Do your notes. Glue it in. You probably want to fold it in half and then glue it in so it'll fit better. If you don't have it, same as yesterday, just take the notes, slow it down, pause it when you need to so that you can get all the notes that you need. All right, let's get your math journals and let's get started. Okay, you've got your math journal out. Let's put today's date, 3/25/20. Our title or topic today is going to be volume and capacity. And remember when we talked about volume in science, this is not like how loud something is. I'll give you the definition here in just a minute. Whatever page you're on. And then I'm going to move this out of the way and just put my note page down. Woo! Okay, volume and capacity. It says, what is volume and capacity? Volume or capacity is how much a container holds. In science, it was how much space something took up. In math, how much a container holds. We say volume when we use customary units. We say capacity when we use metric units. Okay, we're going to start with customary. Again, we're starting with our small units and going down to our big units. The first unit we're going to use in customary volume measurement is an ounce. And I'm going to come out to the side and write the abbreviation OZ, and really it's a fluid ounce. So I'm going to switch that, FLOZ. It's about the size of 2 bottles of nail polish. All right, moving up. The next is a cup. Our abbreviation is C, and a cup is the size of a small water bottle. These are the little bitty half-size ones. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. All right, we're going to move up to a pint. A pint is the size of a small tub of ice cream. One pint equals 2 cups. 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces. A quart is the size of a small paint can. And I wanted to show you also, all of these measurements and things are on your reference material, your yellow or pink, or the one that's in the back of your ThinkUp book. So it's got all the same information. Well, not all of it, but it's got some of the same good information on there for you. Quart, abbreviation is QT, size of a small paint can. One quart equals 2 pints. 1 quart equals 4 cups. And 1 quart equals 32 fluid ounces. All right, our biggest unit that we're going to use in our customary system is a gallon. I bet you guys are familiar with this one. A gallon is the size of a large milk carton. Okay. Oh, and the abbreviation is GAL. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon equals 8 pints. 1 gallon equals 16 cups. And 1 gallon equals 128 fluid ounces. If you look on a milk jug on the front, you'll probably see where it says 1 gallon, and it will also give you one of these other measurements, probably fluid ounces. A lot of these will be also in fluid ounces. Okay, we're going to move on to our metric system. You're going to find the abbreviations and everything are going to be really familiar. We're going to start with our smallest, is a milliliter. Our abbreviation is M and a capital L. It's a little bit different. A milliliter is about 10 drops from an eyedropper. Not very much liquid at all. Okay, the next one we're going to jump up to a much bigger capacity, and that is a liter. It's about the size of a bottle of soda. 1 liter equals 1,000 that should say liters, but it says meters. Milliliters. Sorry, guys. It equals 1,000 milliliters. Abbreviation for liter is a capital L. Lastly, slide this up so you can see, is a kiloliter. A kiloliter is about the size of 4 bathtubs. One kiloliter equals 1,000 liters. And we have the same mistake down here again. This should say milliliters. I'm jumping all over the place with my pen here. Sorry, guys. Kiloliter, the abbreviation, KL. All right, 1 kiloliter equals 1 million milliliters. Okay, now I want you to get your math journal out. If you haven't already, we're going to add something else to it on the next page. So on your table of contents, just put page 53 and 54. And then just turn there for me. Okay, once you're there, I want you to listen to my story. We're going to talk about a way that we can remember how many pints and quarts and all of that go in 1 gallon. Our gallon is our biggest unit, remember. All right, so there once were 4 kingdoms, and in the middle of the 4 kingdoms, there was a huge garden. Every day, the queens from each kingdom would go and meet in the garden. Remember, there were 4 kingdoms, so there are 4 queens. And each queen would bring with them their prince and their princess. And every day, each prince and princess would drink a Coca-Cola. Oops, almost forgot that one. They would have been sad. Each Coca-Cola had 8 pieces of ice. So I'm not going to draw those 8 dots. You're not going to be able to see them. You can just remember that's for the fluid ounces. So look, we've got a gallon. And how many quarts are in a gallon? Well, look at our Q's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can look at just the Q, and I can see that there are 2 pints in 1 quart. I can also look and see that there are 2 quarts. In 2 quarts, there are 4 pints. You can even go further. You can look at the pints and see how many cups are in each pint. If I had 1, 2, 3, 4 pints, I would have 2, 4, 6, 8 cups. Don't worry too much about this today. We're going to talk about this later in the week, and we'll probably continue on with it a little bit next week. I just want you to go ahead and have this in your notes. This is called the Big G. It's not a very creative name, but that's the name of it anyway. The Big G. And it will help us go from unit to unit. Oh man, I messed up. If I didn't mess up, you wouldn't know it was me, right? Okay, guys, this is it. This is all the notes I have for you today. I'm going to show you a couple of more little things just to help you kind of visualize the different sizes of the items, and then you need to get started on your scavenger hunt. Okay, I want to show you a couple of different items that are in just what I had in my house that are the different units for our capacity. So this is the little water bottle I was talking about. This is 1 cup. 8 fluid ounces, 1 cup. That's a cup. This is almost empty. This is a pint. If it was full, it would be holding 1 pint of honey. 2 of these equals 1 of these. If I could pour 2 of these into this container. All right. Now, also, the little ice creams, also a pint. Move up to a quart. That's this 1/2 and 1/2 bottle, jug, carton. 1 quart, 2 pints. I could pour this in here twice. Finally, we have a gallon. Oh, big old gallon of milk. Okay, takes 4 of these to equal 1 of these. So hopefully that will help you to remember, just kind of have a visual of what each of these items are. Let's see if we can get this in here so you can see. Oh, that's not very great. Cup, pint, quart, gallon, and we'll keep talking about this some more as we continue our unit. Y'all have a great day, have fun on your assignments, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.